Hey everyone, let's be real, who doesn't love saving money? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of frugal living with simple, practical hacks that can make a difference in your bank account. Imagine being able to afford those concert tickets or that trip you've been dying to take, all because you started making your coffee at home. So, if you're ready to ditch the financial stress and start living your best life on a budget, buckle up because we're about to break down 10 frugal living hacks that are seriously life-changing. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Ugh, a budget? That sounds so restrictive and boring. But trust me on this one, my friend. Creating a budget is like the holy grail of frugal living. It's the foundation upon which all other money-saving strategies are built. How can you expect to save money if you don't even know where your money is going in the first place? So step 1 is to track your expenses. Download a budgeting app, use a spreadsheet, or even just jot down your expenses in a notebook. Whatever works for you. Once you have a good understanding of where your money is going, you can start setting realistic spending limits for each category. Color code your budget, use fun stickers, whatever it takes to make it feel less like a chore and more like a fun little game you play with your money. The key here is to find a budgeting method that works for you and stick to it. Consistency is key, people. Even if you mess up sometimes, don't beat yourself up about it. Remember, a budget is not about depriving yourself. It's about having more control over your finances so you can afford the things that truly matter to you. All right, let's talk about food. Because let's be real, food is life. Grocery shopping can be a dangerous game. You walk in with the best intentions, and then suddenly, you're walking out with a cart full of impulse buys. That's where meal planning comes in. By planning out your meals for the week ahead, you're less likely to fall victim to those tempting grocery store traps. Start by browsing Pinterest or your favorite food blogs for recipe inspiration. Once you have a good list of recipes, make a detailed grocery list organized by category to make your shopping trip a breeze. And here's a pro tip: never go grocery shopping on an empty stomach. Don't be afraid to get creative with leftovers. Turn that leftover roasted chicken into a delicious chicken salad, or use those extra veggies to whip up a quick and easy frittata. Meal planning is all about being prepared and mindful of your food choices. It might take a little extra effort up front, but trust me, your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Okay, let's be real. Cleaning isn't the most glamorous task, but it has to be done. You can make your own cleaning products at home using simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. They're just as effective as the store-bought stuff, but way cheaper and better for your health and the environment. We're talking about ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils. For a basic all-purpose cleaner, simply combine equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a fresh scent. You can also use baking soda to create a scrubbing paste for stubborn stains or to deodorize your sink. Trust me, once you go the DIY cleaning route, you'll never want to go back to those expensive, chemical-laden products again. All right, let's talk about buying in bulk. Buying in bulk doesn't have to mean transforming your home into a Costco warehouse. It's about being strategic and stocking up on non-perishable items that you use regularly. Think things like rice, pasta, beans, canned goods, toiletries, cleaning supplies. Basically, anything that has a long shelf life. When you break down the cost per unit, you're almost always saving money in the long run. Plus, you're saving yourself those extra trips to the store, which means fewer opportunities for impulse buys. Start small and gradually build up your stockpile over time. Be sure to check the unit prices to make sure you're actually getting a good deal. Buying in bulk is a great way to save money on everyday essentials and streamline your shopping routine. Okay, let's talk about coupons and cashback apps, because who doesn't love free money? In this day and age, there's absolutely no shame in being a savvy shopper and taking advantage of every discount and reward program out there. First up, coupons. Gone are the days of clipping coupons from newspapers. These days, you can find digital coupons for pretty much everything online or through various coupon apps. Before you hit the store or check out online, take a few minutes to browse through your coupon options and see if you can snag any deals. And then there are cashback apps. These magical little apps basically give you money back for purchases you're already making. Sign up for a few different cashback apps and link them to your credit or debit card. Then, just shop as you normally would and watch the cashback roll in. Once you get into the habit of using coupons and cashback apps, it becomes second nature, and those little savings really do add up over time. Okay, let's talk about energy consumption, because saving energy is not only good for the planet, but it's also good for your wallet. We're talking about simple things like turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when they're not in use, and washing your clothes in cold water whenever possible. If you're in the market for new appliances, consider investing in energy-efficient models. Swap out your traditional incandescent light bulbs for energy-saving LED bulbs. Making a conscious effort to reduce your energy consumption can make a big difference in your energy bills. Plus, you'll be doing your part to protect the planet. Okay, let's talk about shopping secondhand, because there's something so satisfying about finding a one-of-a-kind treasure at a fraction of the retail price. Plus, it's way more sustainable than buying new all the time. These days, it's all about embracing that vintage vibe and finding unique pieces that no one else will have. Hit up your local thrift stores, browse online marketplaces, or even organize a clothing swap with friends. Don't be afraid to get a little creative with your finds. That old dresser might need a fresh coat of paint, or that vintage dress might need a minor alteration. Shopping secondhand is not only good for your wallet, but it's also a fun and sustainable way to update your wardrobe and home decor. Okay, let's talk about subscriptions because we've all been there. You sign up for a free trial of some streaming service and then completely forget about it, only to be hit with a surprise charge months later. Those recurring subscription fees can really add up over time, and chances are you're probably paying for a bunch of stuff that you don't even use. Go through your bank statements and identify all of your recurring subscriptions. Ask yourself honestly, do I actually use this service regularly? If the answer is no, it's time to cancel that subscription. Breaking up with unused subscriptions is a quick and easy way to free up some extra cash in your budget. Okay, let's talk about herbs, because fresh herbs can really elevate a dish from basic to gourmet in an instant. But have you ever noticed how expensive those little plastic containers of herbs can be at the grocery store? Why not grow your own herbs? Even if you live in a tiny apartment, you can still grow a variety of herbs indoors on a sunny windowsill. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, parsley, cilantro, and chives. Not only will growing your own herbs save you money at the grocery store, but it's also a fun and rewarding experience. Plus, there's just something so satisfying about snipping fresh herbs from your own little garden. Okay, let's talk about mindful spending. Because frugal living is not just about cutting back on everything and living like a minimalist monk. It's about being more intentional with your spending and making sure that your money is going towards things that truly align with your values and bring you joy. Before you make a purchase, especially a big one, take some time to really think about it. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will this purchase add value to my life? Or am I just caught up in the moment and feeling impulsive? Try implementing a waiting period. If you see something you want, don't buy it right away. Give yourself a day, a week, or even a month to really think about it. Mindful spending is all about being more conscious of your spending habits and making sure that your money is aligned with your values. Thanks for watching. I hope these frugal living hacks have inspired you to take control of your finances and start living your best life on a budget. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about being smart with your money so you can afford the things that truly matter to you. Whether you're a seasoned budget pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn on the journey to financial freedom. So, don't be afraid to experiment. Find what works best for you, and most importantly, have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.